Mynaric is a free space optical communications company headquartered in Munich, Germany, with a U.S. subsidiary headquartered in Hawthorne, California. We focus on the capability to do laser communications. We have our air-to-air product and our space-to-space product that also does space-to-ground and space-to-air. It's been a great crowd. It's great to see people in 3D again instead of the 2D Zoom meeting or team meetings that we were used to over the last year. So it's been great to get back and shake hands and see people again. We come here to see the other technology, what's going on in the space industry. It's rapidly changing, so it's always good every 6 to 8 months to get back in touch and see how the technology is evolving. Our technology has evolved. When I started with Mynaric just a few months ago, and our last product was this big, and here's our latest product, and just to see the developments of the product and see that firsthand instead of reading about it in newspapers and stuff like that, it's just great to be here in person. Challenges I see over the next 5 years in the industry, I look at them more as great opportunities. There's a lot of dynamic things going on in the space environment, the funding that's coming into the space environment that's advancing technology again faster than ever. What the governments are doing and where they're leading the development of particular capabilities, especially in proliferated low Earth orbit, which is one of the markets we really focus on with our Condor Mark III terminal, and just the other, so many opportunities. It's hard to say that there's challenges in what we're doing. These expos, especially the space tech that allows us to focus on the technology, gets the industry leaders together to where we can see and understand better what we're doing, where you just may not have the opportunity if you just sit at your computer and try to read about stuff online, right? So getting out and talking one-on-one and learning what the other people are doing is just a great way to do it. Exhibiting at the Space Tech Expo, this is actually our first year in doing so, and I'm overwhelmed with the other companies that are here and the opportunities is get to learn about their capabilities and stuff like that. So absolutely, come out and join the team next year. I'm excited about space. There's so many things going on in space that allows us to continue to use our intellect and look at technology and then just expand the future. You know, in the last year we had new people, new astronauts commercially going. We see the commercial space enterprises in low Earth orbit, and the challenges of getting to the moon and beyond to Mars are awesome. Where's the industry going to be in the next 10 years? It's really hard to predict where that's going to be. I look back, I've been doing this for a few decades now, so you can kind of tell with the gray in the beard, but and just what the evolutionary changes decade after decade are amazing. We were talking this morning, just 2 years ago, there was about less than 1,500 operational satellites in space, and now we're seeing 4,500, and we're adding like 100 to 150 every month. And who would have thought that 10 years ago that we'd be at that evolutionary pace? So it's great to see we're going to have men and women on the Mars, or on the moon at least in 10 years, and maybe some heading towards Mars. So it's going to be phenomenal where we'd be in 10 years.